have like some kind of accent. Destroy the electricity. So I was like, yeah, I'm ready for this. I gotta plug it in.
Made it to our first destination, which is actually the path to where we're going to camp down the line here. But as you can see, it's the Old Dale Road and the Black Eagle Road. Last time we took both sides. We took the Black Eagle Road first and made it through just fine. Probably one of the most dangerous roads I think I've ever crossed in my life. And then we went over to the left side, which is actually really just sand and dirt up until there's a gravel section. And that's where both my tires popped and all hell broke loose. But we're back at it again. We're not going to take that Jeep trail. I don't have all-terrain tires yet, so it's going to be fun. You guys ready for some dirt? You might want to close. You might roll up your windows too.
I'm just getting like one more shot.
One more picture.
Yeah. Here we go. Strapped. All right.
Will be.
Here we go. Vehicle stability off.
Okay.
Yes.
This is gonna
Off-roading.
Woo! Yeah.
record this real quick. Because that's the case. Oh, damn.
As long as there's no big boulders, we're good to go, man. We're good to go.
This is the last time you went to 40 miles per hour on this road.
Yeah. I'm going 40 right now. But last time we went 40 and we kind of hit a jump. And it was like, oh, dang.
Time to yeah! So we make our way to a final destination.
Alright.
Fine. I'll hold that back for right now.
Come on. Alright. We got here to our first stop, our home for the night. Right up there on top. More middle of nowhere. Now I just gotta drive up there. Last time we didn't drive up. Alright, we made it. Got on top of this little hill. Nothing crazy. See? Nothing crazy. Middle of nowhere. Nobody here. Just us. And what's that? Somebody's Starbucks? Oh yeah. We'll come back to this. I don't know. When did Cottrell see some action?
Why are you? Yeah.
Did some pretty decent jumps earlier. That wasn't too bad. Nothing crazy.
Just imagine that thing, whatever you saw.